TL travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Today is a packing day, and I hate packing days, I have to tell you. I have like a bunch of stuff that I have to do in my last couple of days here in Peterborough, so today I just have to pack today. I have no choice. I'm gonna pack today, and then I'm heading back to Edmonton in 2 days, and so that video will go up on Sunday, and then I have a quick stop at home in Edmonton, and I'm flying right back out to Bali, so stay tuned for that, because the travel content, the travel videos, tips and tricks and all that fun stuff is coming up here real quick. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, definitely do it. I'm just finishing up my morning coffee, and I'm doing some work here on my trusty laptop in my parents' kitchen, which has become my office. And then yeah, I'm gonna get this packing started here right quick, because my room is a disaster, actually. Like an absolute utter disaster. Let's go see, shall we, what we're working with. I've been like trying to sort my things as I went this week, but yeah, take a look at this. This is just sort of what life without drawers starts to look like after like 4 weeks. So not pretty. And now I get to do a quick look about and make sure that I didn't just show video of my bras and underwears, which I probably did. So yeah, let's just get packing, shall we? My brother for Christmas made me this like butcher block cutting board situation. Like, check that out. It's amazing. So this is going to be basically what I'm planning my packing around, because it's super, super heavy. I'm hoping that I can just put like mostly clothes into this bag, and then when I add this, it still won't be over, but I'll weigh that afterwards. And then I have a backpack over there somewhere. You probably can't see it in this mess, but I have that backpack, which I can put all of my heavy like laptop and all my electronics and everything in that bag and carry that with me. I'm just like hoping that I don't have to carry this with me on the plane. I'm assuming that it's at no risk of being broken in transit, because yeah, it's a real thing. So that is definitely a little bit better than before. Now we just have to throw that cutting board in on top and see how that works. That is excellent news. So for WestJet, because I'm flying WestJet, for checked baggage, you're allowed 23 kilos or 50 pounds, basically, says the website. So that's what I'm going by. And I am sitting at 37 pounds with all of my stuff packed in there, including that butcher block cutting board. So I thought for sure I was gonna be over, so that makes me incredibly happy. Not that I couldn't carry it on as like an extra carry-on, I totally could, but when I know that I'm checking luggage, like for short haul flights and stuff like that, I just like to have the least amount of stuff with me, especially traveling with the drone and my laptop and everything, because those are all things that I already have to take in and out of my bag, so having the cutting board in there as well. I don't know, I like to minimize. Minimize. So packing was my big ticket item of the day, and I've got that done now. So yes, and yes, the tree is still up. So yeah, I'm just gonna get on with my day. Oh. Yeah, that just happened, folks. Doing any sort of work with that cat around is absolutely impossible. She's like addicted to that laptop. It's just a cat thing. I know that. I know it's not just my cat. Ooh, lighting. Sorry about this. Anyways, I am just finishing up my day. I got not sidetracked. I got into some work that I had to get done, and I had another trip request for a traveler who wants to go to Malaysia, so I've been doing that, and that's all I've been doing. So I'm gonna end this vlog here and say thank you so much for watching. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it. We post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday, and we are off to Bali and Thailand here in a little bit, so you won't want to miss it. Until next time, stay great, travel safe. I'll see you then.